Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my smart maths learners. I welcome you in your sweet class. This is your interactive session and this is your maths class. Well kids, maths is real life. It is everywhere. So once again today we will learn maths with fun. In our previous session, we have learned about shapes. So, you must be agree with me, all shapes are cool. You have met with different shapes like circle, square, oval, triangle, rectangle. All the shapes are different and beautiful. There are so many things around us and all the things are of different shapes. Well, my dear kids, today we will learn more about shapes. In fact, we will learn about 3D shapes. Hi kids! Previously, we have learned about different shapes and those shapes were 2D shapes. So what do you think? What is a 2D shape? I have also heard people talked about 3D shapes. So what is a 3D shape? Today, we are going to find out. Firstly, we will revise 2D shapes. So what is a 2D shape? Boys and girls, you have to tell me what is a 2D shape?
It is a flat shape like circle, square and rectangle.
Well done, my dear kid. You know the right answer. So, 2D means two-dimensional. 2D means two-dimensional. DIMENSIONAL. Dimensional. Keep saying it. Two-dimensional. As you can see here, a 2D shape. 2D shape goes with side to side and up and down. It has no thickness as it is a flat shape. So, in a 2D shape, there is no thickness. Two-dimensional, width, height, width, height, width, height. Well done. Now the question is, what is a 3D shape? So my dear boys and girls, what is a 3D shape? Well, today I will tell you about 3D shape. 3D is a flat shape like cube, sphere and pyramid. So, what is a 3D shape? 3D means three-dimensional. 3D shape goes three ways. 2D shape goes two ways and 3D shapes goes three ways. Side to side, up and down and back to front. Side to side, up and down and back to front. So 3D shape is a puffy and full shape. Puffy and full shape. It has height, length and width. Now we will see properties of 3D shapes. It's a cube. Now we will discuss its properties. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. But in grade 1 you need to learn about just the faces of 3D shapes. Now it's a sphere, a lovely sphere. And as you can see, a sphere has just one face and it has no edges and no vertices. So what do you think? Which shape is this? Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces and 2 edges. So you need to learn a cylinder has 3 faces. Now here is a cone, a lovely cone. So let's count the faces of a cone. It has 2 faces and 1 edge and 1 vertex. Now as you can see, here is a pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 faces and 8 edges and 5 vertices. You need to learn the 5 faces of pyramid. Now here is a cuboid, a happy cuboid. Now let's count the faces of cuboid. It has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. So we have learned about all these shapes. Now I am sure you all are familiar with these 3D shapes and you can name them. Here the first one is cube and the last one is cuboid. Then the yellow one is sphere, the green one is cylinder, then there is a cone and pyramid. They all are happy. Now let's do an shapes activity. Let's start. Here are 3 options. The first one is cube, rectangle, cuboid. So which is the right option? Yes, think. You are right. The right answer is cuboid. It is a cuboid. Now once again there are 3 options: cylinder, pyramid, cone. And the right answer is I know you can do this. The right answer is cylinder. Now here is a shape and the options are cuboid, cone and sphere. And the right option is cone. Very good. Here we have a shape and the options are cuboid, cylinder, sphere. And the right answer is sphere. Well done. Now let's see the options of this shape: cube, cuboid, cone. It's a cube. Well done for completing this quiz. Well done.
Shapes, 3D shapes, sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube and cone. Sphere, cylinder, pyramid, cube and cone.
Dear kids, we will see examples of these 3D shapes in real life. Well, as you can see, the sun is a sphere, a basketball is a sphere, a baseball is a sphere, the moon is a sphere. Now we will see examples of a cylinder. A cylinder has this shape. All the things here are of this shape. A pencil shaft is a cylinder. A can of beans is a cylinder. A paper towel is a cylinder. Then a jar of jelly is a cylinder. Now we will learn about pyramid. It has this shape. Tents, an Egyptian pyramid is a pyramid. Then roofs are a pyramid. Now we will learn about cubes. It has this shape, box shape. And examples can be of blocks, dice, an ice cube, and a box can be of cube shape. Now here is a cone, just like a cone ice cream, and it has also different examples. Like a megaphone is a cone, then a pencil tip, then an ice cream can be a cone, and a traffic cone is a cone. You need to learn the spellings of these shapes on daily basis. Well kids, in our previous session we have done an activity of shapes. Today we will do another activity of shapes. With the help of shapes, you can draw animals and different things. So here, as you can see, a cat and a rat is being made with the help of basic shapes. So you should try this, okay? At the end, as always, I have a special message for you. Well kids, never ever give up. Always try hard to achieve what you want. Now it's time to say goodbye, and always take care of yourself and take care of your family. Bye bye.